Hey, what's up, y'all? So, Boosie decided to give his girlfriend a gift. Check this clip out.
Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Thanks, Pepper. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Thank you, Ziggy. What's up? I know I haven't been live since I was in Turks, but hey y'all, I lost my voice. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Anyways, everybody that's in New Orleans, make sure y'all come pull up tomorrow at Treehouse. I will be there. Me, super bad, my cat on the beat. And y'all know, when I go out, I have a time. For those of you that was on my live, I was out in Turks. Y'all know how it turns out. So, just make sure y'all be there tomorrow night in New Orleans. Come pull up on your girl, because I will be looking forward to it. I will be pulling up. Okay. I'll see you there. Thank you. I just got my eyebrows tinted. It's my second time getting them tinted, and I actually like the outcome of them. What a way the lady does them. Thank you. Yeah, I love my cars so much. Like, I got what I asked for. It's nothing better than getting what you asked for. I'm like so thankful. I don't know. I'm just so thankful. My boo is still in the bag. I don't have anything in my car yet. Nothing but my cute Coach bag that my mom got me. Shout out to her. This was so cute to me. She got the bag that I wanted to. Period. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Yes, I still got the boo in the back seat. I never took the boo out. Oh, pink slip definitely came with it, sweetheart. Just no note. We don't pay no notes. Thank God. I thank God that I'm even to this point in my life where I can say we don't pay no notes. Because what? That's like a blessing. Like, I don't think people get that. I think people be so stuck behind having materialistic cars and driving foreign cars to have a lease or to have a note. I love not having a car note. I'm gonna get down on my knees. I get down on my knees and tell God thank you every day anyway. But I'm forever going to get on my knees and tell him thank you for the blessings, because y'all already know we're in a recession right now as it is. So to have car note, car insurance, house note, phone bill, water bill, light bill, everything, I don't care what nobody say. To not have a car note is the ultimate blessing. Period. I'm gonna forever be thankful for whatever. It could have been a bike. As long as I don't know, I'm gonna show it off. I'm gonna be thankful for whatever. You said my name. Anyways, shouts out to God. I just love just seeing my little kid. Yeah. It's cute. so cute. And thank you to everybody that told me happy birthday. I know I didn't get a chance to tell everybody thank you, but thank y'all so much. I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all so much. Turn it on.
Yeah, turn it on. Let's see. Alright, so I know you don't feel like waiting, so we may have to bring it back at another time to see. I'm sorry.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So that was Boosie's fiance, and Boosie decided to give her a gift, and that was a car. And they've been trying for a baby for the past couple of months. He said that on the djvlad platform, but right now he's drilling blanks. Sometimes it can be difficult to produce a baby, and right now they're trying for a baby, but they just can't seem to produce one. But I think that in the end they will be able to grab the W, and she's gonna be pregnant. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, watch next video. Y'all.